Hi everyone, and in this video we are going to be discussing how to know who viewed your profile on LinkedIn. So before we start, click the link in the description below to get 50% off the highest rated LinkedIn growth course by LinkedIn's top influencers that will teach you exactly how to grow and monetize your LinkedIn account. Now coming back onto the video. Alright, so LinkedIn provides you this feature officially that is going to be allowing you how to view who viewed your profile. What you need to do is on the left side you can see your profile viewers. Now you need to click on profile viewers. Once you click on that, you will be able to see you have three different profile viewers in the past 90 days, and among them who are going to be watching your profile are these guys who are highlighted on the top. And if you want to check out who viewed your profile and you want in-depth information about that, you have to purchase the premium version. So that is it for this video. Now before we end this video, do not forget to get your 50% discount to start growing your LinkedIn account by clicking the link in the description below. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.